Hello students, welcome you all to our brilliant channel Maths Nation. Dear students, if you have not subscribed Maths Nation, kindly subscribe it now. I promise to complete your syllabus. Would like to solve all your queries which you may kindly drop in the comment box. So dear students, in my last sessions we have discussed about coordinate geometry, its distance formula. Today we continue with this and also we discuss about the application of the distance formula. Here the question says, I have already told you students, please practice variety of questions which will be helpful for you. Here the question says, find a point on x-axis which is equidistant from the point A and B. Here the question is saying, find out a point on the x-axis such that this is x dash, this is y, this is y dash. Suppose P is a point on the x-axis and A is a point here with the coordinate 2, -5 and B is another point with coordinate -2, 9. Here find out a point on x-axis such that these 2 points are equidistant, means BP is equal to AP. Let the point on x-axis be P with coordinate x and 0, because as this point is on x-axis, its y coordinate is 0. Let P be the point with the coordinate x and 0, and the point A is 2, -5 and the point B is -2, 9. Here, as these points are equidistant from point A and point B, this means BP is equal to AP. By applying distance formula, AP is equal to 2 minus x whole square plus -5 minus 0 whole square root, which means AP square is equal to a minus b whole square a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 5 whole square means plus 25, which is equal to x square minus 4x plus 29. Then find BP square. In the same way, BP square is equal to, just recall students, the distance formula is x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square root. This is the distance formula between any 2 points. Here BP square is equal to, B is with coordinate -2 and 9. Here BP square is equal to -2 minus x whole square plus 9 minus 0 whole square. This is equation 1. Here -2 minus x whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. 9 square is 81. Then this is x square plus 4x plus 85, which is equation 2. This is the condition since these 2 points, this point P is equidistant from A and B, which imply AP is equal to BP. This means AP square is equal to BP square. Then equating these two, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. As BP is equal to AP, this means AP square is equal to BP square. Then equating equation 1 and 2, equating equation 1 and 2, we get x square minus 4x plus 29 is equal to x square plus 4x plus 85. X square cancel. Then here minus 4x minus 4x is equal to 85 minus 29, means minus 8x is equal to minus 85 minus 29 means 15, 6. Then this is 56. Then x is equal to 56 minus 8, which is equal to minus 7. Means we find the value of x is minus 7, which means P is with coordinate x 0. Means the P has the coordinate minus 7, 0. Hence we get the point on the x-axis such that the P is the point with coordinate minus 7, 0, which is equidistant from the point A and B, where the BP is equal to AP. Okay. Then next question. Here the next question says, find a point on the y-axis which is equidistant from the point A and B. In the same way, here in last questions the point is on the x-axis, means its y coordinate is 0. Here the point is on the y-axis, means its x coordinate 0. In the same way, let the point P with coordinate 0 and y, and here the A is the point with coordinate 6 and 5, and B is the point with coordinate minus 4 and 3. In the same way, you can find that AP is equal to BP. By applying distance formula, you can find out the value of y. Then next questions. Please students practice variety of questions. Here another question says, the x coordinate of a point P is twice of its y coordinate. If P is equidistant from Q and R with coordinate, then find the coordinate of P. Here look at the question says, the x coordinate of point, let P is a point with coordinate, what the condition given? With coordinate, the condition is given x coordinate of P is twice of its y coordinate. Let the y coordinate be y. Let the y coordinate be y. Then the x coordinate is twice of its y coordinate. Then in the same way, x coordinate is 2y. Then the point is P has the coordinate 2y, y, and A and B are 2 points, and here Q and R are such points, Q with coordinate 2, minus 5, and R with the coordinate minus 3 and 6, and the condition is given the point P is equidistant from point Q and point R. This condition is given PQ is equal to PR. Then by applying distance formula, what is PQ? This means PQ square. This means PQ square is equal to PR square. Then by applying distance formula, we get that 2y minus 2 whole square plus y minus 5 minus 5 plus 5 whole square is equal to 2y minus 3 minus 3 plus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square, which is equal to a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here a square plus b square plus 2ab, which is here a square plus b square plus 2ab. here a square plus b square minus 2ab. Then 4y square cancel. Y square cancel. Here minus 8y plus 10y means 2y 25 plus 4 plus 29 is equal to 12y minus 12y cancel. 36 plus 9 is equal to 45 is equal to 45. Then here 2y is equal to 45 minus 29 which is equal to 16. Hence y is equal to 8. As y is equal to 8, 2y is equal to 16. Then here the point then here the point is with coordinate. Then here we have taken P with the coordinate 2y means P with the coordinate 16 and 8. P is a point with coordinate 16 and 8 such that P is equidistant from the point Q and R means PQ is equal to PR. Okay. These all questions are application of distance formula. Here another questions. Here 3 points are given from a triangle, form a triangle. So name the types of triangle formed. Here 3 points are given. Here A, B, C, 3 points with coordinate A with coordinate 3 and 2. B with coordinate minus 2 minus 3 and C with the coordinate 2 and 3. Here we have to find out that either these 3 points are vertices of a triangle. How can we find out these 3 points are vertices of a triangle? Recall the how can we find out these 3 points are the vertices of a triangle? Then if the inequality property of a triangle, what is the inequality property of a triangle says? Sum of two sides is greater than third side. The inequality property of a triangle says sum of two sides is greater than the third side, means AB plus BC is greater than AC. In the same way, AB plus AC is greater than BC. In the same way, BC plus AC must be greater than AB. This is the inequality property of the triangle. By applying distance formula, we can find out the AB, BC and SC as these 3 points are given. As these 3 points are given, by applying distance formula, we can find out this length of AB, length of BC and length of AC. Then we apply this, either it satisfies the inequality property of a triangle. If this satisfies the inequality property of the triangles, this means A, B, C are vertices of a triangle. Okay. Then let us start. Either it satisfies the property of the triangle. Let us start. Hence, by applying distance formula, AB is equal to 2 minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 2 whole square root, which is equal to 1 square plus 1 square root 1 plus 1 means root 2. AB is equal to AC is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 2. Yes, AC is equal to root 2. Then AB is equal to minus 2 minus 3 whole square plus minus 3 minus 2 whole square root. This is equal to 5 square 25 plus 25 square root, which is equal to 50 square root, which is equal to 5 root 2. Then in the same way BC is equal to minus 2 whole square minus 2 whole square plus minus 3 whole square root. Then here minus 2 whole square means 4 square 16 plus minus 3 means 6 square 36 square root, which is equal to square root of 52. Then here so that AB plus BC, here we have to prove the inequality property of a triangle. Here we have to prove the inequality property of a triangle. If it satisfies the inequality property, then can only these 3 points are vertices of a triangle. Let us find out. AB plus BC. Here AB is 5 root 2 plus root 52 is greater than AC is greater than root 2 is greater than root 2. Yes, it satisfies. Then next AC plus BC. Next AC plus BC. Here AC is root 2 plus BC is 5 root 2 is equal to 6 root 2, which is greater than root 52. Yes, because then next AC plus BC is greater than AB. Yes, it satisfies. Then next condition AC plus BC. No, this is AC plus AB. This is AC plus AB is greater than BC. Yes. Then next we have to prove is here AB plus BC is greater than AC. AC plus BC is greater than BC. Then next BC plus AC is greater than AB. Here BC plus AC root 2 plus root 52 is equal to root 2 plus root 52 is greater than 5 root 2. Yes, it satisfies this. Means it satisfies the triangle inequality property. This means A, B, C are 3 vertices of the triangle. Okay.